Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to export a 2K video in DaVinci Resolve. So let's jump in. First, go to File and click the Project Settings. Under the Timeline Resolution, select the Custom and set it to 2560 by 1440. And then once done, click Save. Now, go over to Deliver tab. Then in Deliver tab, under the Format, select the MP4. Next, expand the codec and choose the H.264. Under the Quality, select Restrict to send it to 9500. Then expand the coding profile and choose High for the best quality. Then click the Add to Render queue, then hit the Render All to complete the export. And that's it. Your 2K video is now ready to go. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.